one additional comment I wanted to make on pulling the engine out of this 2001 Chevy Tahoe. You can see I've got the wire harness kind of pulled up and out of the way with a coat hanger on the hood hinge there. The wiring harness is left in the car, and I just pull the engine out from under this harness, so it's just hanging there. As you can see, it's just there. So once you get everything hooked, unconnected from the engine and the intake manifold, just kind of pull the harness up and up high, and you can obviously just pull the engine away from the transmission and lift it out and leave the harness in there. So it's not that big a deal. You would think it would be a bigger deal than it is, but as long as you know what connectors, how they go back and where, it's not that hard. A lot of people label the harness connectors, but I know enough about EFI that I don't need to label stuff. I just know that those are injector connectors. That's your ignition connector for the passenger side. That's your, it's either the map sensor or the cam, no, that's the map sensor on top of the intake. That back there is your cam sensor. That one right there is the cam sensor on the back. And then you got a couple plugs for the oil sending unit. Up here you've got, I think that's that's the knock sensor connector for the 2 knock sensors in the valley. And then on this side, you got pretty much a repeat of the stuff on the other side. So it's really not that complicated when you understand electronic fuel injection. And but if you don't have any experience with electronic fuel injection, you can label each plug before you take it loose, and so you'll know where it goes back on. Just label things and take photographs so you can see how it was connected, and it won't be that hard to do. So I just wanted to add this extra little bit of information so that it would be clear of how I got the engine out with the harness still in the car.